Hi, it's Dorothy Guining with Scrapbooking Quebec, and welcome to another edition of Tips and Tricks. Have you ever finished a layout, loved it, only to wish you had added another photo, even two? Well, I have, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you one of my 3 favorite solutions to this problem. And hopefully, eventually, I'll post 2 more videos and share my other ideas. So here's the layout I'm starting with, and they're all bad photos, but I love this layout. But I have 2 more bad photos I later decided I wished I had included, but they're bad photos. I don't want to do another page. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove a photo. I'm selecting this one because of the ephemera on the right-hand side of that, and I'll talk a bit about that later. So I removed it with a little flexible tool. That one there is from Our Memories for Life, and Creative Memories has one too. It's great for lifting up photos. And I took the same paper, although it doesn't have to be from the same collection because it's going to be hidden, you'll see that. And I cut myself a piece of paper. It's fairly sturdy cardstock. Basically, it measures twice the size of my photo and mat. So that one there measures 4 3/4 inches by 6.5 inches. And I scored it halfway at 3 1/4 inches. So what I did was I made a little flap and I put the photos on the inside. Basically, the photos are the very same size as the photo on top. Now what I'm doing is covering up that interactive part 100% with this photo mat. Like I said, it's not really important what the paper looks like inside because you're not going to see it on the outside. So if you don't have the same collection, that's okay. So once I get that completely covered up in the front, I adhere it to the very same spot. Like I said, I added it there because I want to add a tab to it, and I thought it would be easier because of the ephemera, because of that embellishment cluster to the right. That being said, this interactive element, I could do that with any one of those photos on the page. So I'm doing it because of the flap, but you don't necessarily need a flap. So basically what I did was I took a piece of ephemera from this pack and I slipped it under the photo in the front, but I want to reinforce that flap. So I took a label punch. This could be anything. It could be simply a square of paper, and I'm adhering it behind the photo in the back. And all that's doing is making this tab a little bit more resistant. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I hope to post 2 more videos in this mini series called Oops, I Missed a Photo, and that will go under the playlist Tips and Tricks. And basically that's where I put solutions to scrapbook problems that I've encountered over the past decade and a half. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Scrapbooking Quebec if you haven't already. And stay tuned. There'll be more coming from me. Have a great day.